Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas if you're brand new, and I make style and hair related videos every single week here on YouTube. So if that's your kind of thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and come back and visit me every Monday. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to wear a man bun with confidence and what that even means. So I've been wearing this hairstyle for about 5 years now. I've trialed and errored lots of different styles. I've even tried those fake man buns. You know, I've tried everything. Today, I just kind of wanted to touch base on this because if you're somebody that's thinking about getting a man bun, I just get this vibe that a lot of guys get worried that they're gonna get judged and there's a bad connotation about the man bun. There's no denying that the man bun is one of those hairstyles that people love or hate. Some people are more vocal about it than others. Let's get into my tips, hey? So the first tip is learning to ignore the man bun haters. So those vocal people that are really nasty about it. You particularly see this online and all the internet trolls, they're the worst for it. I personally have never been paid out in real life for having a man bun. Like, it's never really happened, but I'm sure it does happen to people. And anybody that's gonna throw you negativity your way, if you do this, it'll give you like an inner power, okay? So what I want you to understand is when somebody like a man bun hater is projecting their negative opinion, I really want you to understand that whatever they're saying is actually a projection of how they believe and see the world. If they believe the man bun is a shitty hairstyle and it looks crap and they want to say it, that is them talking their beliefs coming out at you. Now, the difference is your beliefs are not the same as theirs. So, and the fact that you wanted a man bun in the beginning means that somewhere in your belief system, you thought this hairstyle was cool, right? Like deep down, just naturally, you thought it was cool, okay? And then all of a sudden, when somebody comes along and projects their opinion about the hairstyle on you, if you let that affect you, you're giving them power to dictate how your hair's gonna look, and your belief about the style is going to get tossed into the shadows, and you actually are powerless. So if you change your hairstyle based on someone else's opinion, like that's bullshit, man. Like, I would not do that. If you genuinely thought this hairstyle was gonna be cool, fucking go for it. And when you get the hairstyle, you can then make the decision. Don't let what other people say. This goes for everything as well, not just wearing a man bun, even the clothes you wear, everything. Don't let somebody else's opinion come in and infiltrate yours or change yours. If you genuinely at heart had a good feeling about it, you should go forward with that. That's truly how I've learned to deal with haters. And when I put it in the perspective of that's their belief and projection and it's completely different to mine and I don't believe what they believe, it makes it a lot easier for me to A, pity them and go, shut up, you obnoxious fuck. And it also helps me just walk away from the situation unscathed because I know that it's just their belief and not mine. So you can keep that. I'm gonna go over here and enjoy my man bun. Yeah, it's as simple as that. And every time I do it, every time someone's negative to me, I do that and I think about it's their perception, not mine. So what's my perception? Just go off your own, because your own will make you happy. The next key thing about wearing a man bun with confidence is look for styles and inspo. Sometimes we get a little bit dry with our creativity. Sometimes we don't even know what the fuck to do. And it's really, really good to actively be looking for new styles and saving them somewhere. So I do this all the time. I love Pinterest and Instagram for these things. They're places for getting inspired. They're pretty much just a big bunch of images that are floating around on the internet, and whichever ones you like, you actually have the option to save them. On Instagram, it looks like that little flag thing, and on Pinterest, it's the little pinboard pin. And you can create your own like private boards that nobody else can see, so it doesn't have to be on display to the world. And you can just store little bits of style inspo. Like I've got so many boards with men's long hair, man buns, and what I do when I'm going through a creative dry spell, I will dip back into those and I'll go, okay, what did we go and look at? Like, show me what my inspo was. And that'll usually keep things fresh for me. And that's another thing about basic human needs. While I'm on this topic as well, one of the basic human needs is variety. So if we stick to one style for too long, I mean, I've been wearing a man bun for 5 years. How the hell am I not sick of it yet? It's because I keep inspiration there for variety. If we do not have variety as human beings, we just naturally get bored and we go, fuck this, see you later, done. So make sure you're storing inspo. You might not even need it now. You might be on a good roll. Be like, yeah, I'm doing my bun just how I want to do my bun. And it looks good. My bun, my bun. I should make a song. But yeah, when you go through a dry spell, it just comes in real handy. And Pinterest and Instagram are great for that. And also that Thomas in Action guy from Man Buns and Mains, he's like pretty good for inspo too. So the third thing I wanted to tell you about wearing a man bun with confidence is, although you might have already done your inspo research and whatever, but if you're not actively testing styles, then you're never gonna look any better and you are gonna lack variety because you've got variety to look at, but have you got variety to wear? No, you need to actively be playing with your hairstyle and seeing where your bun fits. Like particularly with this man bun that I've got today, this is kind of like my little side sort of saggy man bun where I pin it up on the side here. It's a little bit messy and this looks really good for me, I believe. And the only way I come up with these things is because I'm actively testing the styles that I'm looking for. And just to finish this point, by testing different styles, I believe everybody has an inner compass, right? Did you ever wake up one day, look in the mirror and go, oh my God, I actually look shit hot today, right? Like if you have done that before, but you didn't know what you did, you need to be paying more attention to your inner style compass because whatever you did that day is telling you you look good. You just know. There's this weird thing, like when you put a style on or you put an outfit on, you know it looks good. So that feeling that you get, when you get that next, take note of what you did because it's gonna help you figure out which styles are really gonna work with you. But unless you play up with the styles and actually use the inspo that you've gone and got, then you're never gonna know what suits. Who knows? A double space bun might look really fucking cool on you, but if you don't try it, you don't know, all right? And when you get that hot damn look in the mirror, you better believe you're gonna be walking out of the house with a man bun and being bloody confident. Like it just happens. Like now, except I'm not out of the house. The other thing too is knowing your face shape, insert previous post here. Knowing your face shape and what kind of man buns are gonna work with that is also a really good place to start, or even just do some research, because when you know that, you can play to your inner style compass a little bit better because you can already kind of pick what's going to work. So the more research you do, the smarter you're going to be. That is my advice on that. Listen to that inner compass. Damn, I look good. And then finally, my other tip for rocking a man bun with confidence is join a bloody community like the one that we have at Man Buns and Mains. Pinterest and Instagram are great places to go and get that inspo that you're doing on your own without any input from someone else. But joining a community, it's like the next level up. So when you're in the community, you can actually post what you have. It's all private. Other people can comment and give you feedback. They can give you opinions. It's almost like an interactive version of Instagram and Pinterest. On Pinterest and Instagram, you're kind of just looking for yourself. In a group, people give you feedback. You can get inspired by other people, and it's real, and they're real life people doing real life things that actually can give you value. So why would you not join a community? If you do want to join the Man Buns and Mains community, you can go to the link in the description box. It's free to join. It is a little bit tedious to get into the group, but there's a good reason. I don't want spammers. If you're a spammer, piss off. Okay, I do not want spammers in that group. I only want people that are dedicated to really rocking their long hair and growing it out and supporting each other. That's what it's all about, okay? If you do want to get featured on the Man Buns and Mains Instagram, shout outs are going out left, right, and center. All I need to see is your cool hair. All you need to do is follow the account and also tag Man Buns and Mains for us to see your image. Please look at the quality of the images before you post something or tag us, because I kind of want the grid to look very nice and similar. It's just my Instagram like OCD. I can't help it, okay? But there's lots of inspo on there, so make sure you go and follow the Instagram page as well. And on Pinterest, because we just post everywhere on the internet. I'm everywhere on the internet. I'm even on Reddit. So that's pretty much everything that I would recommend to anybody that's wanting to wear a man bun or is struggling to wear their man bun with confidence. Just to recap, learning to cope with the haters by remembering that their opinion is a projection of how they see the world, not how you see the world. The fact that you thought the man bun was cool means something. Go with it, all right? Trust it. And don't listen to anyone else until you actually make your decision. Also, make sure you're actively looking for inspiration on Pinterest and Instagram and the Facebook group. And not only that, make sure you're executing on that inspiration and those styles that you're seeing. And then thirdly, well, I already just said it before, join a community. We've got Man Buns and Mains in the description box below, and I'd love to have you in there, as long as you're not a spammer. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye.